Your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on your name banner. Here, tap on Media and Purchases and then tap on the View Account option. You will be asked to enter your Face ID, so go ahead and enter that and further tap on the Manage Payments option. Here, make sure you have entered the correct payment method. Recheck your payment method, and if it is incorrect, then update your payment method. See if the issue still appears. If yes, tap on your name banner again and then tap on the Sign In and Security option and then tap on the Change Password option and you will be asked to enter your iPhone passcode. So go ahead and enter that and further, go ahead and change your password. Make sure that the password must include at least 8 characters, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Tap on Change and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, try to sign out and sign in again. To sign out, inside your name banner again, scroll down and tap on the Sign Out button. You will be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter that and wait for a while and sign in again. And by now, your issue should have been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you can report your issue in the Apple support. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.